Hello friends, welcome to my another video on Arduino based some science project. Today I am going to discuss about the Arduino anti-slip alert system, and this video is going to be very interesting because you can make a very simple project for science fair or science exhibition. So let's discuss. Now, first of all, I want to actually show you the video of the project here. This is my project. And as you see, the wheel is spinning, the car wheel is spinning when the hand is away from the sensor. When you bring the finger close to the sensor, the wheel stop and buzzer runs. So this is the thing today. So I am discussing the components here. So first of all, we need an Arduino Uno and then infrared sensor module, then a buzzer and relay module and 5-volt DC motor, a voltage source, a toy car wheel, and some jumper wire and some other according to your need. Now, this is a very now I am going to discuss about the basic components here. So this is the Arduino board. As you see, this is the Arduino board. This is a development board, and we have several pins here. These pins are called the analog pin, and these pins are called the digital. So we are using digital pin to control these components. This is the IR sensor and this is the input component here because from here we are getting the input. Actually, what happened when we bring our hand or eyelids here in the close proximity of this, our skin actually emit some infrared lights, and this is sensed by this sensor and sends towards Arduino. Here we have three pins here. This is the pin which is written as output pin, which is attached to the pin number 2 of the Arduino board. You can attach it to any pin, but I am attaching it to the pin number 2 to control it and to analyze the signal which is coming from here. And there are VCC and ground pin which is attached to the VCC and ground of the Arduino. Now, this is another important component here, which is called the relay pin. As you see, we have three port here and three pin also here. So from this signal pin actually attached to the pin number 7 of the Arduino board, and VCC and ground to the VCC and ground of the Arduino, as you know. And this is the common pin here. And this common pin actually attached to the positive terminal of the battery, and from the negative terminal we attached it to the any port of the DC motor, and from the negative port of the DC motor we actually attached it with the here is normally closed port. Okay. uh, so these three components are attached to the Arduino. Now, in case of a buzzer, we have two wire here. One is the red one and another is the black one. And red one is attached to the 8 number pin, and the black one is attached to the ground of the Arduino. This is the basic circuit diagram. And afterwards, you just attach the USB port here and provide some external power supply to run these components, and then just upload your code through Arduino. Code is also I am giving in my description, from where you can download it and you run it, and this project really works. So basically, you see that we just first of all we define the pin here, constant integer pin IR sensor pin, as we have discussed earlier, attached to the pin number 2, and the relay pin attached pin number 7. Buzzer pin is attached to the pin number 8. Now, we actually here we actually put a delay of 5,000 millisecond here. That is means the 5 second without any movement of the eyelid, and stored the last time of the movement was detected as unsigned long last movement time. Then in void setup, we initialize the pin mode. As you see, the pin mode IR sensor is taken as an input, and other two, that is the relay pin and the buzzer pin, is taken as a output. Okay. Initially, the two pins, that is the output pin, buzzer and relay, both are in low position because they are not actually running. In the second part of the uh, my program, As you see, the if check is movement is detected. So then if movement is detected, then IR sensor will be high. So if the movement is greater than the delay, the alarm delay which I have described earlier, then what will happen? Then relay pin will go high and the buzzer pin also go high. So buzzer is turned on, and then also the relay will activate and the movement of the car wheel is stopped. In that way, we actually avoid the accident in road. I end my discussion. So I end my discussion with the uh, just play. You see, the wheel is running and hand is away from the sensor. Once we bring the hand towards the sensor, it will just stop. And again, when we just release the hand, as you see, the wheel is also running. Here we am using a prop. You can add a sensor to the frame of a spectacles like this. Okay. Uh, there are another several small uh, sensor is available with Bluetooth module. So you can attach it here for actually reduce the cost. I am using the IR sensor here, so it will works. So I think it will help you to gain attention in a science exhibition, uh, or any other information. You can give comment in my comment box. Thank you for your patience. Please subscribe and comment. Thank you for your patience.